In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create three option slide in PowerPoint, and this is how the slide works. When I click, the first option comes. You can put the option number here. You can add the title, the detailed text along with some icon here, and then you can add some shadow effect at the back side. So when I click with the different color combination, it will show you the option 2, then the option 3. Likewise, I have created one more slide with some different color variations. And if you have not subscribed to my channel PowerPoint University, please subscribe it now and make sure to enable the bell notification icon. You can join my Telegram group with the help of this link, and if you like to contribute to my channel, you can do it through PayPal or Patreon. The link is provided in the video description section. I have used Office 2019 version to do this. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide and change the background to any light color background. Go to Insert, Shapes. From the rectangles, I'm going to choose the rounded corner rectangle. Draw a rounded corner rectangle depending on your requirement, and using this small orange point, just drag this and you can make it a less curve. Then shape outline, make it no outline. Then I'm going to add one more shape here. Go to Insert, Shapes, select the rectangle, draw the rectangle, maybe this much size. Shape outline, no outline. Shape fill, you can give any color of your choice, so that to differentiate that one. So right mouse click, go to format shape, and I'm going to make it somewhat transparent, so you know that exactly how much area we are going to cut it. Okay, so you can see here. And then you can add one more shape. Go to the shapes, and then I'm going to choose one rectangle rounded corner, something like this. You can see here, maybe this much size, and give some different color again, no outline, and then I'm just going to put it here. Alright, you can see here like this. Make sure that it looks like this. So once this is done, I'm going to select all the objects, go to the shape format, merge shapes, and just say fragment. Alright, you end up getting shapes like this. So delete this part, I don't need. Delete this bottom part, I don't need. And you can see here, this is one separate and here is one separate. Okay, so now for this one, I'm going to give a white color or any other color you can choose, and here you can choose some different color combination. You can see here also I'm going to choose the same color. Alright, so it looks something like this. And then I'm going to insert shapes. From the lines, I'm going to choose a freeform shape, and then here I'm just going to make a shadow effect like this. You can see here something like this. I'm just going to make a shape like this. Shape outline, make it no outline, and select the gradient fill. Gradient fill, by default it will be 4 stops, but I need 2 stops only. So first stop I'm going to choose and make it a black color, and second stop I'm going to choose the color which is of background color. Okay, and the direction something like this I need. You can see here. And this particular stop I'm going to make it fully transparent. You can see here, or we can make it this much. And for the dark color, somewhat light, I'm going to make it. You can see here. If you want, you can just move like this. Okay, you can see here like this also. I can move this one and then send this to back. So we have got this shape. Then I'm going to insert, I'm going to add one icon here. Add any icon of your choice, click insert, and I'm going to make it as 0.5 the height and width, and I'm going to make it as a white color, and I'm going to place it here. And then go to insert text box. I'm going to add the title here, your title here. Alright, and then you can just change the direction you want. You can see here, if you want the direction like this, or if you want the direction like this, up to you. Make again this as also a white font, make it bold and put it here. And then go to insert text box. You can add the detailed text here. Alright, so you can see here, I don't want this much long text. I'm going to delete this. Center align, give some gray font, reduce the size. If the font is not visible, readable, just make it somewhat darker. You can see here. So you can make something like this. Alright, or if you don't want the icon here, you can shift the icon to this part also. So I'm going to give the same color, and I'm going to move the icon here. Something like this also you can make. And here you can add the option number 1. Make it bold, white font, center align, increase the size. So it looks something like this. So once this is done, I'm going to select all the objects, press Ctrl G to group it, move this here. If you want to add 2 more, hold the Ctrl Shift key, drag this one, again hold the Ctrl Shift key, drag the third one, and send this to back. You can see here, and then change the number to 2, and this will be 3. Now if you want to change the color, you can just select this one. You can use any color of your choice. You can see here, and for this also I can give the same color. Like this you can make a simple 3 steps, or if you want you can just move this up and add 3 more at the bottom also.